Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann. Today is a Stitch Fix day. Stitch Fix is a styling service. I will have all the information down below in the description box, as well as a code to get $25 off your first box. If you use that code, I'll get $25 off my next box. You pay a $20 styling fee. You give them all your wants and needs and parameters and all those things. They will curate outfits for you, 5 pieces, send it to you. Anything you choose to keep, they will apply your $20 styling fee, and then if you use my code, you'll get $25 applied to that. So if you don't keep anything, you can send it back in a postage paid. You can send anything back, not just, well, whatever you decide you don't want, you can send back in a postage paid big old bag that they send you. And here's my bundle. I see lots of dark things. I see something white on this side. And I see denim, always denim. Get a note from your stylist, and my stylist has been Mel, and it is still Mel. Get ready to smile. This is fix number 45 for me. I'm sorry that some of the items in your last fix didn't work out. I'm crossing my fingers that you find some more pieces today. Okay. And then this is the invoice. Let's get into the Stitch Fix box. We're going to start with these Bermuda shorts by Liverpool. These are very cute, and I love Liverpool. It's like one of my favorites. I like the dark wash, no distressing. Got the pleats. It looks like a good length for me. I like them. Next, this is the Elaine pocket tee. Okay, no, it's not. This is the Kennedy puff sleeve knit top. Okay, this is cute. I think I've gotten some sort of this top with sheer sleeves with a dotted Swiss. I like this though. It's really cute. It's very, very stretchy. Let me see what the material is really quick. I'm just curious, and it is 96% rayon modal and 6% spandex, 100% polyester. I think it's really cute. Black, I like it. Next, and I'm pretty sure I picked this because I need white. Okay, I really like this. This is really pretty. It's got the short sleeves. It's got this pretty lace detail and the white buttons. Very cute. This is the Viola button-down blouse by Violets and Roses. So very cute. I like it. Next, this is, what are you? The Jasmine lace detail blouse by Mason and Bell. Oh, this is pretty too. I'm pretty sure I picked this one too. It too's got the kind of the lacy. It looks very wide, but very cute. And it's in a an olive color. Very cute. Last we have, this is the Elaine pocket short sleeve tee by Market and Spruce. Feels really good. I like it. I think I've gotten in, it is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. Very stretchy, feels really good. I'm pretty sure I've got this in black, and this is navy. So okay, let's go try these on and see what we think. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are gonna start with this Kennedy puff sleeve knit top in black by Beacon, size medium, $38. And can you see it's got the sheer sleeves that are like a dotted Swiss, if you can see that. And then I have these Liverpool shorts that are the Chloe Bermuda short in indigo, size 6, $68. They fit fine. I do believe, to me, they're a little bit tighter than I would prefer. I've got this shirt, just the front tuck. These are not pockets. I was gonna tuck in the tags to the pockets, but these are not pockets. The back has pockets. This is the length of the shirt in the back. There's the back. And then the front. So, I don't know how I feel about this. I think I would go up a size in these shorts. I like the length. I think this shirt is cute, $38. That's a good price. I don't know, I'll have to think about. I would not keep these shorts in this size, but I would think about sizing up, maybe. So let me know what you think. I'll be back with the next top. Okay, this is the Jasmine Lace Detail Blouse by Mason & Bell. No, it is not. This is the Viola Button-Down Blouse by Violets and Roses in white, size medium, $46. I think this is pretty cute. I did fight with the buttons. I had a really hard time getting them unbuttoned, and I hate having to fight with buttons. And so I didn't even button these two back. I tried to button this one back, so I'm gonna be kind of careful about how I move, but I think this is cute. You'd either tuck it all in or tuck nothing in because it's just straight across. But it's got the pretty lace detail and puff sleeves with elastic. So I think it's cute. Let me know what you think. I'll be back with the next one. Okay, this is the Elaine pocket short sleeve t-shirt by Market and Spruce in navy, size medium, $28. Just your basic navy t-shirt. It does have this little front breast pocket. Long in the back, which I like. And I have it tucked in, but here's what it looks like untucked. Very stretchy, $28. Can't beat that. So here's this. I'll be back with the last top. Okay, finally we have the Jasmine Lace Detail Blouse by Mason & Bell in olive, size medium, $44. I think this is pretty cute. I like the sleeves. You can see it's got the lace. It's got the lace here. I have it tucked in. Long in the back. And here it is, tucked out. It's a little bit wrinkled, so hopefully it would wash and wear well, but I think it's cute. And I don't have anything like this, so let me give you, I like this, I'm leaning towards this. Let me give you this is a super reasonably priced box. Stylist subtotal, $224. Less, sorry, I've got hairs going everywhere. Buy all discount of 25%, that is less $56, which would bring the order subtotal minus tax $168. That's pretty good. I don't know that I love everything. I'm leaning more, I'm gonna have to watch it back, but I'm pretty sure I'll keep this, and I may keep the black top. I'll have to watch. I like the white top. The buttons are I just don't want to fight with my clothes. and it's just too hard. They were too hard to button and unbutton. So I'm not sure I'm going to keep that one, but if I watch it back and I just love it, then I will. But let me know what you think. That is it for the Stitch Fix. My next box will be a Trendsend box, so stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.